There's an apple.
Well, there's some bananas.
Yeah, Mom just pointed to
That's what it went.
You thought you did it for the donut.
Well, I would have.
That is the banana.
Wow, did you see all your stuff that Santa brought? Here's your animals.
Is that Woody and Buzz?
And look, they're magnetic.
Oh, wow.
Well, it's not really what you think it is. Jimmy, open up your motorcycle. Want your motorcycle? That's a
fancy schmancy motorcycle.
Oh, he hadn't really seen the sit and spin.
Oh, whatever happened to one we had.
Scissors, where do they go?
You had them, I don't know. I never took them back. Joshua, there's stuff in the back of the fire truck. Whoa! That's a monster tractor. I gotta make sure when Tina comes, she doesn't immediately show him the COOKIEs by the end of it. Whoa! Look at that thing!
That's a rather large motorcycle there, bud.
Joshua, can you move the camera a second so we can get the sit and spin and show him? Here, buddy. Look.
Says that's an awful funny looking radio, Mom.
See, Mommy, or not. Rob, did you see the firehouse that Santa brought with your fire truck? Look at that.
He didn't know what to look at first.
He's an overload. Look, Santa wrote me a note and told me that you could do this. Look. Joshua, look. Hey. Look. Oh, the guy's supposed to stay on it. Wee!
Wee!
He's going to have you send back for it, or
All plastic. These little elves didn't have to put everything in.
oh, his arms are tough.
So
Boy, they really,
serious.
does he talk?
He collapses, I think is what the box said.
Which one with the strings for?
It's, hold on.
Well, he looks pretty wiry.
I have the, scissors. I would have cut his arm off, but.
He's been through that before.
It's supposed to. He actually didn't stand up. I thought he stood up and we could. Pull string to stand figure up.
stiffens his legs.
And then
Push his head to make
push
it
his
fall.
head. Yeah, no, I don't want to make him. I don't want to do that. We'll just keep him up. Where'd his hat go? Who is that?
I know.
Oh no!
I know.
Where's his friend? Did Buzz fly off somewhere?
He's right there.
No, Chris has.
Oh, the big tree. So he's interested in friends.
It's got those clear, like rubber bandy things. His wings pop up. That's what the box said. Santa knew you'd like that one.